Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I will discuss some theory. So from theorem from group theory. Okay. So this is theorem number 3. Let G star be a group. Then first one is A इनवर्स का इनवर्स A होगा फॉर ऑल A बिलोंग्स टू C. सेकेंड वन इज A स्टार B, दिस एलिमेंट का इनवर्स होगा B इनवर्स स्टार A इनवर्स फॉर ऑल A B बिलोंग्स टू C. एंड थर्ड वन इज फॉर ऑल A B belongs to Z, that is the equations A star X equal to B and Y star A equal to B has unique solutions in G. ठीक है, for X and so this says that A इनवर्स का इनवर्स A होगा. कोई भी एलिमेंट लो, अगर इसका इनवर्स A इनवर्स होता है, A का इनवर्स A इनवर्स, फिर से अगर A इनवर्स का इनवर्स क्या होगा A होगा. और A और B बोथ आर फ्रॉम G, तो इसका A स्टार B भी G में रहेगा, तो इसका एक इनवर्स रहेगा. इनवर्स कैसा होगा? ये जो B इनवर्स और A इनवर्स इसका जो कॉम्पोजिशन करूंगा उसके साथ इक्वल होगा. ठीक है. एंड हियर देयर आर टू इक्वेशंस, A star X equal to B and Y star equal to Y star A equal to B. So these two equations has unique solution in this group G for XY. ठीक है, this is the statement. So first I'll prove this one. Let's see. Write down. You can take screenshot. To prove first we consider A belongs to G. Now as G star is a group, A के लिए इनवर्स होगा, there exist inverse of A. Let's see, say this one A inverse, such that so you can take it right. So A inverse को हम लोग A का इनवर्स ले लो, such that क्या होगा? A inverse star A equal to A star A inverse क्या होगा? E होगा. So you can take this as 1. Now from definition of inverse, from this equation 1, A inverse का इनवर्स बन रहा है. मतलब अगर A इनवर्स का कोई इनवर्स होगा और वो देखने में ऐसे रहेगा, मतलब दिस वन इज इनवर्स ऑफ A इनवर्स. ठीक है. सो A इनवर्स कहाँ है? G पे है. सो G का कोई भी एलिमेंट लो, अगर G ग्रुप है उसके लिए एक इनवर्स रहेगा. तो A इनवर्स भी G में है तो इसके लिए एक इनवर्स रहेगा. वो कैसे दिखने में ऐसा लगेगा. ठीक है. अगर A इनवर्स का इनवर्स होगा तो कैसा होगा? A इनवर्स स्टार A इनवर्स इक्वल टू A इनवर्स स्टार A इनवर्स इक्वल टू E होगा. सो यू कैन टेक दिस एज 2. दैट मीन्स हम लोग पहले एज्यूम किया A इनवर्स G, एज G इज ए ग्रुप, सो दिस A के लिए इनवर्स रहेगा. हम लोग डिनोट किया A इनवर्स एक्सिस्ट करेगा G पे, तो A इक्वेशन मिलेगा 1. ऑल्सो फ्रॉम डेफिनेशन ऑफ इनवर्स, सो A इनवर्स का इनवर्स रहेगा, उसको हम डिनोट किया ऐसे. यू कैन डिनोट इट एज A डैश. देयरफॉर यू विल फाइंड फ्रॉम 1 and 2. You can take this one and this one. That means A inverse star A equal to A inverse star A inverse inverse, because both are equal to E. ठीक है, both are equal to E. So from left cancellation law you can check that this will be A inverse का inverse equal to AR, ठीक है। सो फ्रॉम 1 and 2 कैसे किया फिर से एक बार देख लेते हैं। हम लोग को प्रूव करना है फॉर ऑल ए बिलोंग्स टू G, तो ए एलिमेंट कोई भी एक एलिमेंट G से लेता हूँ, ए एस G इज ए ग्रुप, ए का इन्वर्स रहेगा, वो इन्वर्स हम डिनेक्ट किया ए इन्वर्स, ठीक है। तो इन्वर्स का डेफिनेशन से हम लोग ए मिलेंगे, मतलब देयर एग्जिस्ट ए इन्वर्स ऑफ ए सच दैट ए इन्वर्स स्टार ए इक्वेशन मिल रहा है। ऑल्सो फ्रॉम डेफिनेशन अगर ए इन्वर्स G पे है तो ए इन्वर्स के लिए एक इन्वर्स रहेगा, उसको हम लिखे ऐसे ए इन्वर्स का इन्वर्स, ठीक है। ए का इन्वर्स दिस वन, तो ए इन्वर्स का इन्वर्स कैसा होगा, ए इन्वर्स उसके पावर में -1, ठीक है, ऐसे इन्वर्स लिखते हैं। तो इसका इन्वर्स ऐसा होगा तो दिस इक्वेशन मिलेगा। नाउ 1 and 2 कंपेयर करके हम लोग क्या मिला है, इफ वी टेक दिस वन एज बोथ आर इक्वल टू ई, सो वी गेट क्या मिला है, ए इन्वर्स कैंसिल आउट फ्रॉम लेफ्ट कैंसिलेशन लॉ, सो ए इक्वल टू दिस। सिमिलरली इफ यू टेक दिस वन इक्वल टू दिस वन, therefore a inverse cancel out, that is there will be right cancellation law, so you will also get a equal to this, therefore the proof is complete, ठीक है। The second one was this, so I will prove this. So this means we let AB from G, ठीक है, as G star is a group, so A star B also belongs to G by closure property, ठीक है, by closure property, and this element G पे है, मतलब this will imply that A star B has an inverse in G। this element G में आ गया तो इसके लिए एक इन्वर्स आएगा, वो इन्वर्स क्या होगा, if you denote this ए स्टार बी का इन्वर्स देखने में ऐसा होगा, ये थ्योरम क्या होगा, ये देखने में जो बी इन्वर्स और ए इन्वर्स इसका कॉम्पोजिशन होगा, ठीक है, दैट्स मींस इन्वर्स, ठीक है। सो इसका मतलब अगर इन्वर्स ऐसा होगा तो ए स्टार बी स्टार और ए स्टार बी का इन्वर्स लो, स्टार ए स्टार बी इक्वल टू क्या आएगा, ये आएगा, ठीक है। नाउ वी विल चेक, we will take B star B inverse star A inverse in the place of this, and we will check this one equal to E or not. If so, let's check A star B equal to, I am taking B inverse star A inverse. So here this is given, we have to prove. So in the inverse of A star B, I am taking this one. If this is equal to E, we can prove that. Then we say this A inverse equal to this one, ठीक है, मतलब इन्वर्स A स्टार B का इन्वर्स ये हो गया। अगर A दिखा तो लेट्स चेक ये होता है कि नहीं, इधर से क्या मिलेगा, लेट्स सो A स्टार B स्टार this one you can write this, ठीक है। So by associative law you can write A star and this will be B star, A inverse as this A inverse. By associative law you have to write that by associative law, ठीक है। And B inverse is the inverse of B, so this will be E, so A star E you can write this here as this, so this will be this star A inverse. So this is by definition of inverse, ठीक है, definition of inverse. Now this will be A and this is star A inverse. So here A star equal to A, this is by definition of identity, ठीक है, this will have to, we have to write here, ठीक है, and this one equal to E again by inverse definition of inverse, because A G का है तो इसका A inverse exist करेगा, such that A star A inverse equal to E. So we prove that this is equal to E. Similarly, you can prove by taking B inverse star A inverse here star this equal to E, ठीक है। So you can, we prove that this is equal to E. Therefore we can say that A star B इसका इनवर्स क्या होगा, बी इनवर्स स्टार ए इनवर्स। सो दिस इज प्रूफ। So first I take here this one, and now by calculating I prove E. So in the first step there, by using associative property, and here B star B inverse, in the place of B star B inverse we write E. That means we use definition of inverse, and in this step from A star E we write A. That means we use definition of identity element, and again from here to here we use by definition of inverse. So ultimately I prove this one equal to E, therefore this equal to this proved. ठीक है, so you write proof or the theorem is as proof. ठीक है, so you can write, you can note, and I will prove the third one. So the third one is, for all A belongs to Z, equations A star x equal to B or Y star A equal to B, these two equations has unique solutions for x and y. That means from here we will get x equal to a solution. Let us get x1 which will belong to G. So this x1 will be unique. Similarly, if you take y star equal to y star A equal to B, so from here you will find y equal to y1 which is belongs to Z. So this y1 will be unique. Okay, so let's check. This is very easy, you have to understand properly. Okay, so first you take this one, you take A star x equal to B. We have to find that x equal to an element from G which will be unique. You know, as A belongs to Z, there exists inverse belongs to G for this element A, such that A star A inverse or A inverse A equal to E, and also E star B equal to B, and if E is identity element and B is any element from G, so therefore E star B equal to B. So let's check that A star x, what you will put x so that this will be B. Let's check, if you take A inverse first and then B, so we will get this equal to this. Let's check. So put x equal to this in A star x. So we get A star x की जगह A inverse star B, and so this will be A star A inverse, this one star B. So this is by associative property. ठीक है, and this will be E star B. So this is by definition of inverse, because A is an element, so A star A inverse equal to E. So this one, using this one definition of inverse, and therefore this will be B. So this is by definition of identity. अगर E आइडेंटिटी हो तो E star B equal to B होगा. So we use this one, the property of. So therefore we get x equal to this one. ठीक है? So if we put x equal to here, then this equation will be satisfied. ठीक है? X equal to this will satisfy this equation. Therefore x equal to this is the solution. ठीक है? X equal to A inverse star B is a solution of this equation of equation 1. ठीक है? So the proof is here. So now we check uniqueness of this element. This is also this is uniqueness. Now we check uniqueness of x equal to A inverse star B. ठीक है? For this equation 1. For that, let C be another solution of equation 1. So therefore C अगर solution होगा this equation का 1 का, तो हम लोग क्या मिलेगा, A star C equal to B मिलेगा. Let us see, let this is 2. ठीक है? Now we see if we can prove that C equal to A inverse star B. If we can prove this, C equal to A inverse B, that means we assume C as another solution, and if we can prove this C is equal to this one, therefore we can say there is exactly one solution for this equation. That means there is exactly one value from G which satisfies this equation. So now we will prove C equal to A star B. So by definition of identity, C can be written as E star C, ठीक है, एंड E के जगह A इनवर्स स्टार A लिख सकते हैं हम लोग, बिकॉज E इक्वल टू A इनवर्स A. ये क्यों लिया देखते हैं इसको हम लोग. सो फर्स्ट लाइन इज बाय डेफिनेशन ऑफ आइडेंटिटी, एंड दिस लाइन इज बाय डेफिनेशन ऑफ इनवर्स, and this one can be written as A inverse star A star C. This is by associative property, associativity. All we can use the definition of inverse associativity because this G star is a group. So we are calculating all these things in this field G. Okay. So C equal to E star E, this is by definition of identity. So C any element, so this is also C belongs to G. B another solution of unique solution. जो unique solution है ये in G में first I have written. So C equal to C is element of G. So for C the identity element is E for the group G. So therefore C equal to E star C, and from E you can write this one, and from here you by applying associative property you can write this, and as we assume C is another solution of this equation 1, we get 2. So by using 2 from here you can use B. So A inverse B in the place of A star C. So here we have used equation 2. ठीक है. So C is equal to A inverse B. We proved that. First we proved x equal to this is a solution of the equation, and to check the uniqueness of x equal to this, I have assumed another solution from G for the system, for the solution for the equation 1. Therefore this C will satisfy this one. That means A star x की जगह C लिख पाऊंगा तो A star C equal to B मिलेगा, and as C belongs to G, so you can write E star C, and E is the identity element. E की जगह A लिख सकता हूँ, E की जगह by associative B लिख सकता हूँ, और A star C की जगह B लिख सकता हूँ. तो A star B मिल गया, C equal to B. तो another element भी, another solution C भी दिस सोल्यूशन का बराबर होगा. तो इसका मतलब क्या है, जो सोल्यूशन मिलेगा ये यूनिक होगा. सिमिलरली यू कैन प्रूव फॉर दिस. आई कैन गिव यू हिंट्स. यू कैन नोट फॉर द इक्वेशन y star A equal to B. So in y star A, what you will take y equal to, so that you will get B. This is simple. If you have to take B star A inverse. So if you put this in the place of y, from here you will get, so put y equal to B star A inverse, you will get B star A inverse. This is star A. So first this, and by associative property you can write this, and this one will be B star E, and this will be B. So if you put y equal to this, you will get y star A equal to B. That means this is solution of 2. So you have to check uniqueness. So this is homework. You will do that. This is very simple as before, as we have done for this A star x equal to B. So for uniqueness, you have to choose another C from G, which will satisfy this one. So you will get C star A equal to B. And now by using this one, you have to find C equal to B star A inverse. Okay, you have to prove this using this one. So first you write C. C की जगह क्या लिख सकते हो? C की जगह E इस साइड लिखना पड़ेगा. C स्टार E की जगह A star A inverse, E की जगह this. So C star A, you can write this star A inverse. So this one equal to E. Sorry, this one equal to B star A inverse. So C equal to B star A inverse. So So this is the uniqueness. So you can write this properly. I give you the hints. Properly I have done this. So that's it for today. If you like it, please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you very much.